So you click that title and came here. Think of it as a guide or my story. Choice is yours. Anyway, you will learn some valuable skills and get paid for it using this single learn and earn website. And this is my story, how I was able to earn so much that I could pay my college fees. So if you are interested, make sure that you watch till the end because each process is important. So a few months back, while I was scrolling through my Twitter feed, I came across this website called Stackup. And this website says level up as a developer, earn while you learn. That was a great news for me because I am already a developer. So curiously, I clicked this link and I was greeted with this sign up page. So like anyways, we click sign up. So I clicked the sign up and it required me for the early access. So now my search started, but I found a referral code on the Twitter itself and I will be sharing that in the description also if you want to join this site. Now fast forwarding, I can log in. So once I logged in, I was moved to my profile section and here I was set to create a profile name. I named it as developer HS. Now I used the email address that was available to me because I was not able to change it. Later, I included my phone number, my nationality, country of residence and birth here also. So at last they said me that it is essential to link your Discord. So I linked my Discord and I opted out from the mailing list that I usually do on most of the website. While I was searching, I went to the home page. There they had this greeting and the link Discord. Again, I got to earn $1 just for connecting my Discord. Next, there was what was the campaign of the month. Though I was not aware what campaign was, I ignored it and I clicked on the recent update. It was empty, but now it is full because I have been using it since 2 months. I saw for what I came here, introduction to Python. So I clicked on this courses. Once I clicked on the course, I got that there was 3 lessons. 3 hours it took and 1600 EXP I will get. So curiously, I clicked on join lesson, whatever, and I started to learn. So this was their structure. They used to tell you something about the Python or introduction video and you were required to do something. And I ran my first code. Now, once I completed my learn section, so I clicked on this earn section and clicked on this campaign. Once I clicked on this campaign section, I came across a lot of campaigns which were happening currently. Curiously, I asked them and they said that these are their partnered companies or softwares and they have some reward pool. If I was able to complete these quests and got selected for the amount, then I will get paid from this reward pool. They also said me that there is a deadline there, so I have to complete it beforehand. I read this description, saw the learning outcomes of this and how many campaign quests are there. So I thought that this campaign quest is just one quest. When I clicked on view, what happened was there was a series of instructions that I needed to complete and they have some criteria either in form of quiz or in form of a screenshot of my code so that I have done it. Well, let me show you that itself. So I clicked on this view and it said not join. So I clicked on join quest. It went to in progress. I completed everything. They required me to complete a quiz and also add a screenshot in one of the part. Then I clicked on submit and then it went for a review. Later I was rewarded for it and approved. So what was the difference, I asked, and they said that this rewarded section is for those who have been selected for being paid and approved is for those who joined late and the reward pool was empty because it completed the entire list of reward. Okay. Now the next question that I was very interested in, how I could cash out my earning. So for that I went to my guide section where I first learned about the anti-cheating policy. So they say that you should not have multiple accounts and you can't submit multiple work. They are very strict about that. So I moved below because it was not of my use, and I saw something called as Wise Bank transfers, or this was how I was able to transfer my amount to my bank. Again, you have to create a Wise account in this section. So I created it and later linked it. So what I did was I went to the profile and I clicked on withdraw. Once I clicked on withdraw, there was a bank account section which I filled and sent for the review. Once it was confirmed, I clicked on this bank account, clicked on this withdraw, and it took me 6 to 7 days to get the transaction. But once I get the transaction, this was the amount that I got, which I got from the transaction history. And I got around 4,307 rupees, and my college fees was 4,000 rupees. So I was able to pay my college fees with just this earning. Now, previously I once again opened my profile section, and in the profile section I came across this first page which I skipped earlier, and I saw this developer HS, that was my name, what was the middle that I was given, experience that I gained, the level currently I was in, the experience I have, the current experience needed for the next level, number of campaigns I joined, number of quests I have completed in that particular campaign, and this was the thing. They have the level rewards, which I graciously clicked and I redeemed my $5. At 5th, I will get $20. At 7th, I will get $20. And at 10th, I will be getting a massive of $100 reward. Again, there were ways to earn XP. I got it by submitting a quest, approving a quest, which is just the taking part in the campaigns section, rewarding for the quest, which was 500 XP, and completing a video lesson. After that, I saw that my recent activities was highlighted, which was like a history. Once everything was completed, the whole picture was clear. A small disclaimer is that you can't withdraw before you have an amount of $20. So make sure that the amount have at least $20. That's an important thing. So this was my story, guys, how I was able to earn that much. Let me know how you liked my story or how you liked the format of this video and what are the things that I need to change, though I can improve. If I have missed something, make sure that include it in the comments. And if you are liking this video, hit that subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm to work.